So you have a $200 life insurance policy to protect yourself and protect your family when, God forbid, you leave this earth. However, you were diagnosed with a major health concern because you didn't have normal screenings through dental, vision, and hearing. This was an actual conversation that I had with a client this past week. I put up a video last week and I was talking about dental, vision, and hearing that would prevent things that could take your life, whereas the life insurance policy pays out. It's there for your family. I get it. You have it in place so that when you're not here, your family has those funds. I'm a big proponent of that being in place. However, I'm also a big proponent of catching a heart attack early, catching a stroke early, catching diabetes early, catching dementia early. All of these major medical concerns that can be caught early through dental, vision, and hearing screenings, but yet individuals will pay $200, $300, $400 a month for a life insurance policy, but still walk around with no dental, vision, and hearing insurance, and still walk around not getting the screenings that you could get within those realms of dental, vision, and hearing. Of course you could pay out of pocket, but who does that? Now, someone's not going to pay $50 a month or $60 a month for a dental, vision, hearing plan that will get them these screenings so that it prevents major medical things from happening. It catches those things early. They're not going to pay $50 or $60. They're definitely not going to pay out of pocket to have the screenings done themselves. So it just didn't make sense to me. It was a good conversation. And the individual that I was talking to, he is a client of ours. He's fine. He didn't get diagnosed with anything. My point was, you have this policy in place for your family, but you have to pass away in order for it to work. Why not get the screenings that you could get up front so that that policy pays out as far out into the future as we can get it to pay out, and your family has you here, which I believe they would want more than to have that policy pay out in the end anyway. If there's anything I can do for you to help or to analyze, to look at your healthcare situation, make sure you have all the gaps covered as far as your major medical, your screenings, your primary, your specialists, all of those things within your personal plan. Make sure you're getting all the benefits you should be getting through your plan. Reach out to us and we'll help you any way we can. God bless.